so this is what I look like on the vlogging camera. I just got back from the gym, so I'm sweating, sorry. But so far the camera quality is really nice and very clear. I'm currently using the 4K effect on here. So yeah, this is what 4K looks like, and you can also defocus and focus. So currently it is now defocus, so like the background can be blurred out, so if you're filming in public you can blur out people's faces, which I think is really good thing to have. So yeah guys, I'm going to be using this hopefully next week when I go into the office. So I'm currently working as a accounting apprentice for Monzo Bank, so I will be bringing you guys with me and yeah, just show you what I do in the office, so a day in the life type of video. So yeah, please subscribe if you're interested, and I will see you all in my next video.